Hey guys, welcome back to John's Kitchen. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a traditional Bolognese sauce. If that sounds good, let's hop into it. So the first step is to peel and dice all of your vegetables. So for the diced vegetables, don't worry about making the shapes perfect, just a rough dice will do. Next step is to start cooking your vegetables. We're going to be using a pressure cooker, but you can use whatever you want, whatever you have available to you. Whether it's a large pot or a medium pot, go for it. Add your oil into the pot, followed by your garlic, your onions, and then your celery. Sweat out for a few minutes, then add your carrots and continue sweating for another 3 to 4 minutes. Throughout the process of sweating your vegetables, remember to stir frequently. Once all your vegetables are soft, the next step is to add in the beef mince. Use a spoon to squash it down and start sweating until we get a nice even golden brown color. At this point, I just want to give you a little reminder to hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and we really appreciate all the support. Now add in your tomato sauce and your salt. Close the lid and then leave it to simmer away on low heat for 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes, remove the lid, stir the sauce just to make sure it's not sticking at the bottom of the pan. If you're using a pressure cooker to cook the sauce, it should take you roughly around an hour. If you're using a regular pot, it should take about 2 hours depending on the consistency that you like the sauce. Once your sauce is finished cooking and you're happy with the consistency, turn off the heat, add the basil and allow it to cool with the basil inside. In our opinion, adding the fresh basil is essential to really help bring out all of those flavors. And that's it, we're done guys, a very easy sauce. Thank you all for watching, we hope to see you back here again next Monday. Remember to hit that subscribe button.